All right, guys, Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. If you guys are having problems with procrastination, you're not getting clients, and you need help, okay? This training is going to show you guys how to break procrastination and start to get social media marketing clients or accomplish your dreams and goals. A lot of you guys are struggling, and you're struggling with procrastination. You don't know what to do. You have a lot of mental fog. You're dealing with anxieties, and you want to know how is it that people like myself recruit clients on a consistent basis, okay? Well, I'm going to share my story with you, and then we're going to go to the whiteboard, and I'm going to show you some things that I wrote down to help you guys break procrastination and start to systematize your business, okay? When I started doing social media marketing, ladies and gentlemen, I was just like you. I struggled. I didn't have a system set up. I didn't have a schedule. I didn't have the right things working for me, okay? I was overworked, underpaid, struggling, watching the YouTube videos, and I needed a system, okay? A system that could help me put my priorities and put my whole business into perspective, okay? And when I finally figured that out, ladies and gentlemen, and I got crystal clear and I had a crystal schedule, I began to make $10,000 a month in my social media marketing agency because I relentlessly work my business, okay? And if you want the same results, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to follow this two-step system. So let's go to the board and let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so the first thing that you want to understand is that if you're going to break procrastination, okay, procrastination will stop you from getting to your destination. And 80 to 90% of the people that are on the internet procrastinate. That means they put off what they can do today for tomorrow. And the sad reality is that tomorrow never gets here. If you could just think back in your mind, all the things that you promised yourself 5 years ago, okay, and look at where you at today, okay, and that's because you procrastinated. 5 years later, you still don't have the stuff that you want, and it's because of procrastination, okay? And all procrastination is a multitude of habits, okay, that you've been putting off. You put off this, you put off that, you put off social media, you put off buying the courses, you put off getting a coach. And if you're going to break procrastination, I want you to follow this two-step process, okay? Number one, okay, you have to set your goals as a priority, okay? Most of you guys' goals are on the back burner, okay? You have your job, you have watching television programs, you have eating out and playing video games and all the other extracurricular activities, okay, in your life that you should not be doing, you have as a priority. And all the priority is at the top of your list. Okay, as of today, I want you to put your social media marketing agency, your affiliate marketing agency, your Shopify, your wholesaling business, whatever your digital product business, your internet business as a priority. What I want you to do is get a piece of paper and I want you to shift that thing. If you're going to break procrastination, you got to do something different, okay? So what I want you to do is take that goal, okay? You want to make $10,000 a month, $50,000 a month, $100,000 a month, and I want you to put it as a priority. The only reason why you're not making $10,000 to $20,000 a month is because you haven't put first things first. Your social media marketing agency and all your businesses is at the bottom of the list, and your job and watching TV and sleeping and spending your money on junk and entertainment and fun and food and all that is at the top of the list. And the reason why you don't have your $20,000 social media marketing business or your affiliate marketing business is because your priorities are wrong. You have to set your goals as a priority. Ladies and gentlemen, when I had the greatest shift in my business, my goals were at the top of the list. They were set as a priority. That means nothing gets in the way of my goal, my priority goal, my prospecting goal, my recruiting, my buying the courses and getting the coaches and all the stuff that I needed to do. Because when your goals are as a priority, everything lines up to the goal. What does that mean? My finances, my time, and my energy is to be focused on priority. Okay? What does that mean? I ain't got no time to be cleaning my home. I got to hire a maid. I don't have time to cut my grass. I got to hire somebody else to cut my grass. I don't have time to do the little mundane things in my business. I can hire a virtual assistant. Okay? My goal is to be focused on getting clients, okay, and making revenue and hitting whatever goal it may be. Okay, and it's the same thing with you. The reason why you're struggling, ladies and gentlemen, I can put my thumb on it right now. You've been watching all the YouTube videos. You've bought the courses, perhaps. Maybe you got a coach. Maybe you don't. But you got the knowledge, but you just don't have your goal as a priority. Shift that thing today so that you can start to make the money that you want to make. You have to be able to break procrastination, and procrastination is stopping so many people from getting to the land flowing with milk and honey, because their goals are at the bottom of the list. Their priorities. And I can tell you right now, when you wake up in the morning, your social media marketing business, affiliate marketing business, internet marketing business, real estate marketing business is at the bottom of the list. Because the first thing you do when you get up in the morning is you prepare for work. Why don't you get up an hour earlier and read a book, or maybe get a list of names that you can call when you get off work? Your goal has to be a priority, even over your job. If your job starts at 7, you wake up at 6. If your job starts at 9, you wake up at 6. That gives you a couple hours to make cold calls, to do the things that you need, or maybe set up ads, or maybe send out cold emails. Whatever strategy you're working, okay? You set it as a goal. Next, you got number 2 is you got a time block. Schedule your cold calling and prospecting. You have to schedule and time block, okay? What I'm going to recommend you guys do is go to Google and type in Google Calendar, all right? And I want you to get a calendar. It's free, okay? You can connect it with your iPhone or your Android, and I want you to schedule, okay, the time you're going to make cold calls, or cold emails, or set up Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, send out direct mail pieces, whatever strategies you're working in your social media marketing agency, affiliate, drop shipping, wholesaling, whatever you're doing, want you to time block. What that means, okay, is that you schedule in 8 o'clock that you're going to work your business to 9 o'clock. Whatever it is, you schedule it. Why is this important? When you go to Walmart, okay, or you go to McDonald's, or you go to Home Depot, or you go to any operation, okay, you go to Chili's or wherever you like to eat at, all right? Before you walk in that door, the first thing you see is their hours of operation, okay? These are the hours that that restaurant and that store is going to be open, okay? You can't go to Home Depot at 4 o'clock in the morning because they're not open. They don't open till 5 in the morning. You can't go to Home Depot at 3 a.m. in the morning. They're closed. They have a schedule, okay? And that's a multi-billion-dollar company, okay? And I know most of you guys that are watching this video are not billionaires or even millionaires yet, okay? But if it's good for a billion-dollar company, it's got to be good for you. So I want you to schedule, okay, the hours that you're going to work your business, okay? You can't sporadically work your business, because if you sporadically work your business, your money and your income is going to be sporadic, okay? You have to set your business up like a business. You don't want to treat your business like a hobby. And I see so many people that don't time block. I mean, that's uninterrupted time. Turn the Facebook off. Turn your phone off. Kiss your wife. Kiss your husband. Kiss your kids. Mommy and daddy got to work from this time to this time. I know I went to work my job for 8 hours, but I have to invest 2 hours in myself so that I can get us to where we want to be. Okay, I can get us to that brand new home, brand new car, get us out of debt, take that vacation, take you to Disneyland, or whatever your ambitions is. You got a time block. You got to block that time off where you're going to specifically work your operation, work your business, okay? You have to time block. If you want to get to 20K per month, 90 days, ladies and gentlemen, if you do this two-step process, number one, you set your goals as a priority. That's the top of the list. This is what I want. This is the way I'm going to work it and set my lifestyle up. All right? And number two, you time block, okay? And you just get laser focused on hitting your goal, where it's $20,000. You want to make $20,000 a month. You do this for 90 days, okay? This is how I got to making six figures, ladies and gentlemen. I was like you. I was all over the place. But when I did this, the money came rolling in. That's when the money's going to come rolling in for you. It's when you get serious and you say, you know what? I know that these things are important, but you know what? You make that shift. And that's the shift that's going to break procrastination, because that's what's stopping y'all. Okay, you just procrastinate and procrastinate. You got to set it as a priority. You got to say, you know what? That's enough. I'm sick of struggling. I got to make this happen. I got to put my goals as a priority. I got to stop putting this stuff off, because you know what? Tomorrow is not promised to me. Good health is not promised to me. Just because you're healthy today don't mean you're going to be healthy tomorrow. What does that tell you? You need to seize the day. You need to seize the moment. You need to get serious about making $20,000 a month. You guys need to get serious. You got to stop playing around with your business and taking this stuff lightly. Set it as a priority and get to work. Roll your sleeves up. You're going to get beat up. They're going to knock you out when you make cold calls. They're going to knock you out when you got to set up Facebook ads. They're going to knock you out when you got to learn Google. Yes, it's hard. Yes, it's difficult. But guess what, folks? You can do it. Okay? If I can do it without a college education, just a regular high school diploma, and make multiple six figures and multiple businesses, ladies and gentlemen, you can too. Okay? You just got to set it as a priority, time block, do what you need to do, and focus, make the calls if that's what you're going to do, and make it happen. And you can get to $20,000 a month in 90 days. Okay? So stop playing around, ladies and gentlemen. Get serious. Okay? If you don't know what you're doing and you need help, I want you to click the link in the description, and you guys can sign up for coaching. And I'll hold you guys accountable. All right? So that you can get to the next level. Because like I said, folks, you don't know what tomorrow brings. And you have to stop playing around. Your goals are important. Your family is dependent upon you to hit your goals. And if you keep letting stuff interfere with that, okay, like I said, if you go back 5 years from now, you promised yourself something 5 years ago and you still haven't got it because it wasn't a priority. And I found out that the things that are in your life that are not priorities never get attended to. Let me say that again. The things that are in your life that are not a priority never get attended to. That means they get put on the back burner and they never come to fruition. The reason why most of you guys aren't making money is because your goals have been put on the procrastination black burner. And I'm telling you right now in this video to grab your goals, and I want you to shift them to the top, and I want you to focus on them. And if you need me to hold you to the fire and coach you, or find somebody to coach you, all right, ladies and gentlemen, find somebody to coach you. But if it's me, click the link in the description and I'll help you guys. But it's time to get serious. Follow this two-step system, ladies and gentlemen, and watch how that new reality happens for you. Watch how you start to make money. Watch how you start to get your first clients and you start to take your business to the next level. My name is Maurice Gear. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Comment below. Tell me what you thought. What were some of your takeaways from this two-step process of breaking procrastination and getting to $20,000 a month? Okay? Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. Let me know if you want me to do a video on a certain topic. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.